This bread has a soft, buttery taste and a nicely balanced flavor. We are going to use this bread machine to make the bread. Here are all the ingredients that we need to use to make the bread. 350 grams of bread flour, 45 grams of sugar, but if you happen to be a sweet tooth, you can add more. 1 gram of salt, 5 grams of yeast, 3 tablespoons or 42 grams of unsalted butter, 1 large egg, and 180 grams of milk. But if you happen to have a small egg, you need to add 1 more tablespoon of milk. Now let's make the bread. Take the bread pan out of the bread machine. Put all the ingredients into the bread pan in the order milk, egg, sugar, salt, flour, just like snow, and yeast. Now that all these ingredients are in the pan, put the pan back into the bread machine. Now program the bread machine to dough. 1, 7, 8. And now press start. We will have to wait 15 minutes, so set the timer. Wow, the bread machine is making dough. It's like kicking a soccer ball around in there. And then it's doing ballerina twirls, and it's whacking against the side of the pan. I'm very glad I'm not that piece of dough rolling around in there. Let's keep waiting. Now that it's 15 minutes, I'm going to stop the bread machine. Now let's add the butter. So let's program it so that it's sweet. And then the crust will be light. And then the loaf size will be 2 pounds. And then we will press start. It will take 2 hours and 55 minutes for this bread to be done. However, the time really depends on your own bread machine. The bread is done. Using oven mitts, pull the bread pan from the machine. Let it rest here for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, shake the bread pan to get the bread out. Let the bread cool on a wire rack for 20 minutes before slicing. Wow, looks very soft inside.